ProTinkerToys.com. Now, my son, I tell you, I don't understand people, okay? Most people, all right, when you have these guns laid out next to each other with a scope and sling.
Can you take the scope off of these things? I'm just curious.
Yes, they're 2 Phillips screws. You can undo the scope. You can take off this 2 Phillips screws. Both of them come right off, okay? And they're great, okay, for kids. Hey, David, come here for a minute. All right, so David is 6 years old. Let's see how big. So he's a 6-year-old. So we're gonna see how big this gun is for him. All right, so that's perfect size for you, wouldn't you say? You like that size? Yep. Okay, so that's now this one here is a little big though. Wouldn't you say that was a little big for you? See, it's not. He can't really get it under. He can't really see the scope. But with the shorter one, okay, put it up. See, now you can look at it. See that? What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? You got any comments you want to make? No? Okay, good. All right, well, have a nice day. All right, don't worry, kid, you bother me. That's W's. What do you want, David? Yes, what do you want?
You said we're going to have a Nerf battle.
I know, we're going to have a Nerf battle, but it's a little late in the day, okay? So can we try to have one tomorrow?
Tonight?
Maybe, okay? What time is it? Maybe we can have a little quick Nerf battle, okay? Are you playing Xbox with Mark?
Mm-mm.
Oh, you quit?
No, he's still playing.
Oh, okay, all right. Well, we'll be in there, all right? All right, so that's Brian Young. That's my son, David, my youngest new son. At the age of 56, I adopted 4 new children, and David is the youngest, right, David?
Mm-hmm.
All righty, and you're my favorite, right? What are you doing? No, you don't know how. No, you gotta here. You gotta put it on the. You gotta here. So we're gonna go like this, okay? So we load it onto the gun like this. All right, there you go. And then you can don't shoot it at people. So now if you pull that, see, it's gonna hit up the ceiling, okay? So you gotta. Let's get that right here. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if you can hit Uncle Tim. Over there. He's over there. See that? See if you can get that. Oh, good job, David. All right, take it easy. All right, that's Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. This is a sniper rifle. I don't know how we got off track there, but this is the sniper rifle. Again, you get the scope and sling included in our deal, plus you get 4 ounces worth of ammo, okay, into the package, because I give you a great deal. Always remember one thing, that ProTinkerToys.com, we give you a great deal, okay? A great deal is always important when you're buying something, because we want to make sure you're happy. And you're not doing very good, Tim, okay? You got the wrong shot. You're not hitting it right. So this is Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe us, and to keep subscribing and liking us, and subscribing us whenever you can subscribe and like us. All right, and have a great day. See you later.